The word we'll be learning in this section is setsubi, which you will often hear in contexts related to office environments, schools, and industrial plants. The word setsubi means equipment or facilities. This term is used to refer to tools, machinery, or any other mechanical setup that is used for a specific purpose, often in the context of industries, buildings, or households. It covers a wide range of items, from technological gadgets to kitchen appliances and infrastructure. The first kanji means to establish, set up, or install something. You see it when talking about plans or foundations. For example, sekkei means design and shows the idea of setting up a plan. Also, setsuritsu means establishment and emphasizes creating or founding something. The second kanji means to prepare, equip, or make ready. It often refers to providing or having things on hand. For example, bihin means equipment and gives the sense of items provided or equipped. Also, junbi means preparation and highlights getting things ready in advance. Equipped the facility. 設備を装備した。設備を装備した。New equipment has been newly installed. 新しい設備が新設されました。新しい設備が新設されました。The public facilities are easy to use. 公衆設備は使いやすいです。公衆設備は使いやすいです。I will inspect the equipment. 設備の点検をします。設備の点検をします。The most common synonym of the word setsubi is chitai, meaning machine, while setsubi refers to a broader category of equipment and facilities. Kikai specifically focuses more on machinery and mechanical devices. The most common antonym of the word setsubi is fusoku, meaning insufficiency or shortage. While setsubi represents the availability of equipment, fusoku implies a lack or deficiency of it.